Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you write this table.
Yes, sir.
Next, starting with a 000. It's it is already given in the function of each pin. If you are find it out, in our beginning of the class,
Yes, sir.
it's available.
Yes, sir.
000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110, and 111. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what are the functions of I oblique M bar? Sir, what are the
Sir,
functions of I oblique M bar?
input output per memory.
Input output
Per memory.
per memory.
Huh?
Bar means, and without bar means, I am given, the what are the functions of pin configurations and all are explained the pin configurations chapter.
So actually, when the signal goes to a low memory operation will
Then
be
memory operations will be performed. When the signal is goes high, then input output operations will be performed. I am repeat once again. When signal goes low, then memory operations will be performed. When signal goes high, then input output operations will be performed. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
000 means it's a halt. Okay. 001. What are the functions of 001? It's nothing but a memory write. Sir, why it's a memory write? Why it's a memory write? Sir, it's a 0. 0 means memory operation. That's why memory write. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next is memory read. Remember all those things. Next is opcode fetch. Opcode fetch. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next 100 again halt. Next 101, that is IO write. That is IO read. And this is nothing but a interrupt acknowledgement. So 8 functions will be defined by these 3 signal. By these 3 signal, there will be 8 functions. This portion is a memory operation. This portion is nothing but a input output operations.
স্যার লাস্টেরটা কি লিখেছেন একবার বলবেন?
Interrupt
ইনপুট
acknowledgement. Interrupt acknowledgement. These 4 are nothing but a input output operation. These 4 is nothing but a memory operation. Just if you just think about halt over here, halt same. Memory write, it's IO write. Memory read, it's IO read, and it's opcode fetch. It's a interrupt acknowledgement. Very easy to remember. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So can I proceed? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Today we'll be draw some diagram of our timing diagram. It's called timing diagram. First heading, opcode fetch. Timing diagram of opcode fetch. Okay. How the diagram look like? Sir, opcode fetch, how many T state is there?
Fourth T state, sometimes
Maximum
fifth T
time.
state.
Maximum time 4 T state. So I'm doing the 4 T state first. Opcode fetch. T1, T2, T3 and T4.
Sir, ওটা কি signal পাশে লেখা?
Huh?
Signal, left side top এ.
Signal. And this is T1, T2, T3, T4. How many T state? 4 T state. That's why T1, T2, T3 and T4. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Not required of these portions for you. So first signal is clock, CLK. First signal is clock. Remember always first down, then state, then up, then state. First down, then state, then up, then state. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similar all the T state. Similar all the T state. Just copy paste in everywhere. So first down, then state, then up, then state. Down, state, up, state. Down, state, up, state. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's look like similar. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So this is clock. Next is nothing but a IO oblique M bar S0 S1. Sir, in opcode fetch, what will be the IO oblique M bar in the table? It's a 0 or 1? Opcode fetch?
0.
0. All of you 0 or someone is saying 1? Tell me. Someone is saying is 1 or everyone is a 0. I am already mentioned in the last table.
So always is 0.
Opcode fetch is
0.
0. And what are the status of S0 and S1?
1.
Both are 1.
1.
One.
Yes.
Right? So that's why 0. 0 should be represented like that. First down, then state. Right?
So খাতাটা একটু বাদিকে
স্যার
সরান।
খাতাটা
First down, then state. First down, then state. Right?
Yes, sir.
And for S0, S1, it is a 1. So first up, then straight. Okay? Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
IO bar is 0,
Yes, sir.
down, then state. S0, S1, both are 1. That's why up, then
Yeah.
straight. Next, I will be also mentioning over here S0, S1 is equal to 1. IO oblique M bar is equal to 0. Okay? It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yes sir.
Next, A8 to A15. It's called
Address bus.
higher order address bus. Higher order address bus. Just like a bus. It's a closed loop, you can say like that. Okay. In T3, it will be end. Just like a close bus, it is a end in T3. Okay.
हाँ sir.
What are the name? Higher order address bus. You should be mentioned all totally. Higher order address bus. Okay. After that,
Yes, sir.
it will be unspecified. Unspecified. Unspecified.
স্যার একটা জিনিস এগুলো কি ওই সিএলকে এর পরে একটা আমি একটা দাগ দিয়ে ডিভাইডেড করতে পারি দুটোকে?
না, একদম না।
আচ্ছা।
Unspecified. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next is AD0 to AD7.
Lower order address was.
Lower order address bus and data bus.
And data bus.
Multiplexing.
The time division multiplexing.
Right. Up to T1. A T1 অবধি থাকবে up to T1. Okay. T1 যেখানে end, it will be end. Then it will be close it down. Okay. Then dotted line. Again start. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
also dot it. So it will be starting from T2 half and ending at T3. It will be starting at T2 half and ending at T3. It's a called lower order address bus. You should be mentioned all. Lower order address bus, and it's a data bus. Okay. It's a lower order address bus and it's a data bus. Complete all of you?
Yes sir.
Another signal, this name is ALE. What are the full form?
Arithmetic
Logical execution.
Logical execution. Yes.
Up. Address latch enable.
হ্যাঁ স্যার সেটাই তো বলছিলাম।
সেটাই বলছিল অ্যাড্রেস latch enable arithmetical কোথা থেকে এলো বাবা?
হ্যাঁ এখন ও স্যার arithmetic-টা ভুল।
Address latch
Sorry.
enable. What are the functions?
হ্যাঁ
ALE. ALE function is the different when these AD0 to AD7 act as a address bus, then ALE signal will be high. Means after ALE signal will be high, AD0 to AD7 act as a address bus. जब तक ALE signal high रहेगा तब तक AD0 to AD7 act as a lower order address bus. Means it should be high in T1 T state and it will be low and then state. It will be high in T1 T state, then state, low, and it will be end. So in every T1 T state, ALE signal will be high. Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay, sir.
Next, RD bar, and that's the end. Just below of data bus. And you should be shown by arrow like that. You should be shown by arrow like that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the structure of opcode fetch. This is the structure of opcode fetch. Okay.
Sure.
স্যার এখানে আরডি বারে ডেটা বাস থেকে যে ডটেড লাইনটা টেনেছেন ওটা যদি আমার T4 এ ওটা চলে যায় অসুবিধা হবে?
না, অসুবিধা তো হবেই। আমার এখানে T3 তে এন্ড হয়ে গেছে, আমি এখানে T4 এ গেলে হবে কি করে?
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
রাইট?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Yes, sir.
এবার একটা ডায়াগ্রাম আমি করছি। রাইট ডাউন। Draw the timing diagram of move A, B. Draw the timing diagram of move A, B. Draw the timing diagram of move A, B. Okay. Write down, as it's a 1 byte instruction, as it's a 1 byte instructions, and the data is copied from register to register. Therefore, no extra machine cycle is required. Only opcode fetch is required. Only opcode fetch with 4 T
আরেকবার
state.
প্রথম থেকে রিপিট করবেন?
I don't know how much I'm telling. Can you repeat? Anyone can repeat?
Draw the timing diagram, move A, B as it's a 1 byte instruction.
No. Draw the timing diagram, move A, B. These are the questions. Next solutions.
As
As-
it's a 1 byte instruction
As it's a 1
and
byte
data
instruction,
was copied registered to register.
registered. And the data copied registered to registered. So no extra machine cycle is required. So no extra machine cycle is required. Only opcode fetch with 4 T state, with 4 T state is required. Also assuming hex code of move A, B. Hex code of move A, B is
Yes.
XY. Is XY. Move A, B. Hex code of move A, B is XY. And the instruction written in 8500H memory locations. 8500H memory locations. Therefore 8400H colon XY. Do you know the hex code? I think answer is no.
Yes sir.
Huh?
Yes sir. Hexadecimal code?
Hexadecimal code obviously. But what is the hex code of any instructions? You know?
No sir.
No. I will be explain you in a tomorrow class. Today is not possible. How to write a program in laboratory. Whenever I am explaining, it will be explained. It is very simple. There will be a chart. I will be explaining you how we can find out it. So now you are mentioning 8500 colon XY, right?
Mm.
Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So 8500H is the address and XY is a data. XY is a data. So address is 8500. Which one is a higher byte? This is higher byte. This is a
lower byte.
lower byte, right? So draw the similar diagram, and mentioning over here 85, over here 00, and in data bus it's a XY. My diagram is complete. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
তোমরাও কি এরকম ডায়াগ্রামের মধ্যে করে ফেলছো?
না, sir.
না স্যার আলাদা
না, স্যার।
করছি।
তাড়াতাড়ি করো। I given you 2 minutes time. Close it down.
ওকে
Done?
No, sir.
Complete?
ইয়েস স্যার ডান
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Next, write down. Draw the timing diagram of. Draw the timing diagram of MBI A, 3EH. Draw the timing diagram of MBI A, 3EH. Okay.
Hmm.
Draw the timing diagram of MBI A, 3EH. First, write down. Let assuming the hex code of MBI A. The hex code of MBI A is XY. Let's hex code of MBI A is XY, and the instruction written form 8500H and the instructions written form 8500H. Therefore, 8500H colon XY and 8501H colon 3E. 3 means these three. 8500H colon XY and 8501H colon 3EH. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next, you mention as these are 2-byte instructions, as this is 2-byte instruction, therefore, opcode fetch and memory read. Therefore, opcode fetch and memory read should be required. Therefore, opcode fetch and memory read should be required. Opcode fetch and memory read should be required. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next, sir, draw the similar kind of diagram. T1, T2, T3, T4. Okay? Then another for memory read T1, T2, T3. Okay? Can I draw the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Or you complete this one? Okay, I'm drawing the diagram. After that, you will be complete. So T1, T2, T3, the clock will be the similar like the previous. There is a no change. There is a no change of clock. Okay? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, what are the IO for memory read? What are the value of IO oblique M bar? For memory read, what are the value of IO oblique M bar?
0.
0. All of you 0, or someone saying is 1.
Zero.
From
This
where
one
you
is 1.
from where you will be get it? Today morning I am mentioning this table. That's why
Above table. Yes.
I am explaining this table today. Opcode fetch 0. Memory read is 0. Okay, memory read is 0. Okay, and what are the value of S1 and S0? It's S1 is 1 and S0 is equal to 0. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
So IOM bar become a 0. So it should not be changed. It just straight. So I'm mentioning once again, IO oblique M bar is equal to 0. Next, one line goes straight and another line just down and straight. So it's mentioning S1 is equal to 1 and it's mentioning S0 is equal to 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm repeat once again. As S1 and S0 both are 1, that's why up to T4 are single line. But over here for memory read, S0 is equal to 0. That's why down and straight this is S0 is equal to 0. And over here memory read is S1 is equal to 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
Just like that. Okay. Dotted line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just if I am not drawn this T4, whatever the diagram will be, sorry, this is not there. Whatever the diagram will be, it will be same like that. It will be same like that. If I am eliminating this T4, if I am eliminating this T4, if I am copy this one to over here, the similar kind of things. Okay. আমি যদি T4 টাকে না আঁকি এই T1 T2 T3 টা এখানে আঁকি তাহলে যা হওয়া উচিত বাকিগুলো সব সেম টু সেম হবে লাইক it's clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just copy paste of the previous one, similar kind of things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. ডায়াগ্রামটা বোঝা গেছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার করছি।
only T4 টাকে যদি আমি ড্র না করি যা দাঁড়াবে ঠিক তাই। Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, next. Sir, for this one, it's opcode fetch. For this one, it's a memory read. So for opcode fetch, what are the address? 8500 is the address, right? What are the data? What are the data? Data is nothing but a XY, right?
Yes, sir.
So 8500 is the opcode fetch and XY is the data. So 8500, what are the higher order and lower order?
85 is the higher order and 00 is the
800
lower
is
order.
the lower order. So I am written over here 8500 is the lower order and data in a XY, right? So for these memory read, what are the higher order?
85
is higher order.
Lower order?
01 is the lower order.
01 is the lower order and data.
3E.
3.
So it's a 8501 and 3.
3. Yes.
Diagram is complete. You've drawn all those things. If done, then please mention me. Let's start for the next one. That is, draw the timing diagram for draw the timing diagram of MVI M, 3EH. MVI M, 3EH. So write down let hex code of MVI M is XY. Let hex code of MVI M is XY. Hex code of MVI M is XY. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So MVI hex code of MVIM is XY, and the instruction written form 8500H 8500H, also assuming the content of HL register pair, content of HL register pair is 8400H, is 8400H. Therefore 8500H colon XY 8501H colon 3E. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, these are 2-byte instructions. These are 2-byte instruction. So opcode fetch. So opcode fetch plus memory read. So opcode fetch plus memory read should be required. Also, it's required one extra machine cycle, that is memory write. Also, it's required one extra machine cycle, that is memory write. Why, sir, memory write? It's a register to memory. Yesterday, I am already explaining.
Sir,
Register
opcode
to
fetch
memory.
plus memory write, also memory read, also the
One
extra
extra
machine
machine cycle required, that is memory write. Memory write is required due to 3EH will be stored in 8400H memory location. Will be stored in 8400H memory locations. Will be stored in 8400H locations, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a questions. If you minutely follow whatever I am written in the for the first timing diagram, that is, I don't know what are the instructions. There is move A comma B, something like that.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Question.
Yes, sir. The very first was move away from.
Yes, sir.
Move A comma B. So
Hmm.
what I am mentioning for 8500H? Can you explain? Instruction written in. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
কি লিখেছি লেখাটাতে? Let the instruction written in 8500H.
Yes, sir. And the instruction is written in 8500H.
Written in, remember, whenever
Ah.
1-byte instruction, then written in. Whenever 2-byte instruction or 3-byte instruction, then written form. Means
Okay.
maybe 1 and 2 memory location is required. Form means it is a starting address. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So for these, it's required opcode fetch. For these, it's required memory read. The diagram is same. The diagram is same, but another extra memory write is required, which is for nothing but a 3E will be stored in 8400H memory locations. These data will be copied over here. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, so it's a opcode fetch, memory read already drawn. Another 3, it will be just memory write. So T1, T2 and T3, it's nothing but a memory write. It's a opcode fetch. This 4 is a opcode fetch. This 4 is a opcode fetch. This 3 is for memory read, and this 3 is for memory write. Okay, everyone is okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just see the diagram.
Yes, sir.
Clock again same. Clock will not be changed. Clock again same. It will not be changed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
IO oblique M bar remain same. IO oblique M bar remains same. Just see, this is a memory. This is a memory. So all are nothing but IO oblique M bar will be 0. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what are the conditions for memory write S0 and S1?
Zero one.
0, 1 means S1 is equal to 0 and S0 is equal to 1. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Means interchange. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So how it will be interchange? It will be down, it will be up, and it will be straight. So it's S0 is equal to 1, its S1 is equal to 0. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Next, same like the previous. Similar like the previous. ALE signal high in T1, then it will be state. Sir, this is memory read or memory write?
So memory
Memory
right.
right.
That's why read bar over here, the state. Read bar will not be down with respect to data bus. Here, another signal is called WR bar. Name is WR bar. All are state instead of WR bar. Instead of read bar, write bar will be low. मतलब सर जिधर रीड बार लो होना था उसके बदले में राइट बार इधर लो होगा যেখানে রিড বারের দরকার ছিল সেখানে রাইট বারটা লো হবে ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
স্যার ফর opcode fetch what are the value address
8500
8500 and xy is the data
XY. Yes.
so 85 is a higher order so I am mentioning over here 85 lower order is a 00 that's why is 00 and data bus is xy
Data
that's
bus
why is xy
XY.
right similarly for memory read 85013
85013
8501 it's 3
0138.
sir for memory write address
Sir,
is 8400 address is 8400 and data is 3e it's
3.
data
Yes.
so 8400 which one is a higher order
84 is the higher order.
84 lower order is 00
Zero,
and
zero.
data again 3e
3. Yes.
again data 3e this diagram is complete now you can draw Done.